We're not big fans or anything.
I know.
Man.
Look, those big boobies. Events. 7.
No, mine's right here.
After. Wait, what was my shirt say?
Nightmare.
I can't read backwards. I was about to say Afterlife until I saw that.
Oh, that's dumb. No. What if they play your favorite song? How do you feel?
Scream, I'll scream like, and then I'll run on stage and then do this to Matt.
You won't do that to Matt. He has a wave.
I don't care. I'm like, how do you like this?
I should bring my crutches and be like, let me on stage.
I know, we should make him feel bad and bring our crutches. 2 crippled fans.
The one to see.
My favorite band. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god. I'm so turned on. Okay.
And then,
This is what we look
I don't know
like
other
before the concerts.
because they might not let us go in with that. We don't know.
Yes.
But we'll
Before.
find out.
We love you guys.
We're all, we
Love you guys.
already. And then we're gonna be all sweaty, but it's okay.
Still look hot.
Kinda.
How do you end it?